Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3 of Writing 111. This is a short video to explain to you what you should accomplish this week. So first of all, in week 3 media, I have 2 items. The first is a chapter 2, telling a story that talks about features of narrative and will help you to think about your personal narrative in more complex ways. The second is a narrative that a good friend of mine wrote and read on the radio recently. I'd like you to listen to it. I think it takes around 8 minutes, and I'd like you to be prepared to talk about it in workshop style in class on Tuesday. We'll talk about what's working in the narrative and especially how the mode, listening to it, changes it and makes the situation different than if you were to be reading it on a piece of paper or on a screen. Later on this week, we'll engage in a large group workshop. So I have both the assignment here as well as the sample. So inside of this sample paper, we're all going to comment on this former student's narrative and talk about what's working, what the student might do for revision, and what kinds of questions you're generating about writing narratives. We will have time to talk about this in class on Tuesday before you need to get started. And then later on in the week, we'll engage in a small group workshop where you will go through a similar process in a small group. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you have a great long weekend. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in class on Tuesday.